Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the process of starting my brand new sketchbook. Grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get started. I actually started this sketchbook a while ago, but only got as far as drawing the first and second pages. Don't worry, I'll be sharing some valuable tips for your first page later in this video, so stick around. These are the stickers, which I'll try to see which of these I would like on my sketchbook. I made these stickers. You can find them on my Redbubble as well. Link is in my description. I send these stickers as freebies with your prints orders as well. And I got some super cute stickers from my friend with her friendship bracelets. She sells gorgeous friendship bracelets, so be sure to check her out. I'm trying out the stickers to see what looks better on this, or maybe just what looks better to me. I love mixing and matching different designs. It's all about having fun and making it personal. I love how stickers can instantly elevate the vibe of my sketchbook. Also, I'm creating a story with these stickers. What do you think it is? Let me know in the comment section. This is the fun part. No rules, just creativity. Which sticker should I use here? This sticker reminds me of my favorite album. I love folklore so much. Who else loves folklore here? Tell me in the comment section. You know, I used to draw all the time, but when my art print shop took off, I shifted to digital illustration to simplify the process. While it's efficient, I miss traditional drawing. With my busy schedule, I rarely had time to draw for fun. So, I'm starting this sketchbook to reconnect with traditional art, experiment, and find joy in the process again. Now finally I've decided the stickers I'm going to use on this sketchbook, and now I'm finalizing it. Sit back and enjoy the process. Who else loves the satisfaction of peeling off a sticker? And the final touch, my official sticker on the back. Here's my newly decorated sketchbook. I'm absolutely thrilled with how it turned out. Now, let's dive into the inside. First, I'd like to add my name, but obviously with a touch of Taylor Swift lyrics. Moving on to the first page, where I've already drawn some portraits inspired by my favorite Taylor Swift album, Folklore. I'm gonna add some of my favorite lyrics from Folklore to complement my portraits. Meanwhile, let's talk about the tips for first page of a new sketchbook. When it comes to your first page, remember, don't overthink it. Choose something that brings you joy, like I did with Folklore. Draw something that makes you smile and inspires you to keep creating. here's the final look, inside and out. I hope you enjoyed this process with me. Happy sketching, everyone! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more creative content. See you in the next video.